तो गुड इवनिंग ऑल. केवा रहे पाछला 3 दिवस. जोश नहीं है, तालियां भी नहीं है, मेरे लिए नहीं, किसी के भी लिए नहीं. Maybe your mind is absent somewhere else. So good evening all. Good evening to all my faculty members, head of departments, my dear students, invited guests and dignitaries. And today we have invited alumni. So if any alumni are present, I heartily welcome our alumni members too. So it is my great pleasure to welcome you all in this annual cultural celebration of JC Dahod. We named it Trividya 2025. Today we gather not only to celebrate the talent and creativity of the participants, but to develop and honor the legacy of Trividya that enriches GC Dahod community with full joy and enthusiasm. So just remember, we want to create legacy of Trividya. If someone says Trividya, automatically remember GC Dahod. And GC Dahod is known for Trividya. So we will make it more and more successful every year. So we are working towards, as an institution, we are working towards transformation of human resources into socially responsible engineering professionals. Every year, 200 plus unpolished diamonds in the form of students are polished with the help of 60 plus faculty members. These are the real asset, real diamonds of our institute, and we are sending those students after graduation for services to the nation. If I want to bring to your notice the achievement, we have got a very good result in semester 1, first year. And I appreciate the effort of faculty members teaching in the first year and the dedication of the students specifically. I congratulate Ms. Rutvi Mehta for securing 9.74 SPI in semester 1, which is just 0.04 point away from GTU top 10. So it is achievement. I expect student will secure their place in top 10 GTU. I appreciate the involvement of majority of GEC Dahod students in Trividya because there are 300 plus student entries in various sports, technical and cultural events. I congratulate all winner teams in sports and technical events. I also give my best wishes to the teams who have participated with full spirit for great success. We engineer normally focuses on technology, principle, concept, logic, precision. But it is equally important to recognize this role of such extracurricular activities in shaping our perspective and enhancing the creativity. Arts, music, dance, drama, sports are the powerful form of expressions that connect us and allowing us to think and work beyond the boundaries of the technology. All these events play a major role in overall development of the students and for their success in the career. I think 40% of the graduate attributes are achieved by planning, managing and accomplishing such kind of events. So it fulfills the goal of outcome-based education. This wonderful arrangement of all these events, which includes sports, cultural and technical, is the testament to the hard work of my students team and faculty coordinators. Pertaining to these events, I want to ask one question to you. Now onwards, for Trividya 2026, can you plan and manage all activities on your own? I asked a student, can you manage everything, starting from expenditure and everything? So it seems something not possible, but it is made possible with the help of a formation of clubs. So I expect there is a constitution of various clubs under the umbrella of Gymkhana in 3 different heads: cultural, technical and sports. So how club can be formed, just I will say a few words. Faculty member and Gymkhana coordinator specifically apply their efforts in next year to make it possible. So the club constitution consists of like-minded people will be inducted starting from the first year. They will be trained and they are given a outreach and placement support in a respective field. For that, at least 6 members must be there in a managing committee of a particular club. 2 plus 2 plus 2. Just remember, you can change my formula. 2 from first year, 2 from second year and 2 from third year. We will not touch fourth year. As soon as third year completed, 2 students goes to the fourth year. These 6 students will identify 2 student members from the first year. Out of the 6 students, 1 will be the president of the club. I expect there are total at least 11 clubs. There should be at least 11 clubs from the entire Gymkhana committee, and there are 11 president of the club. 11 president form a student Gymkhana committee. I think it is a parallel student government. One side it is a official government, other is a student body government. I call it student Gymkhana committee, and all clubs will form a pillar for this Srividya 2026. Pillars, you understand, pillars, columns of the building. So by that way you can manage each and every activity of the Trividya, and this club is not for a 1 month. From tomorrow onwards, if we start the constitution of the club, the activity of the club will be started. They continuously perform throughout the year, and Trividya is the showcase of this event, showcase of these performances only. So just if I want to say cultural, in head of cultural, we can think about creative arts. लोगों ने बहुत अच्छा आर्ट्स किया था, मैंने देखा, but we must have a club so like-minded people can contribute throughout the year. They can display their arts in notice board. Even our publishing committee may recognize, and it can be published into newsletter too. Creative Arts Club, similarly Khelaiya Club, it is related to dance, Khelaiya, Garba and everything. Another is a drama club, music club. So we have arranged the orchestra this time on a payment basis, but we must have our own orchestra. हमारा गिटार भी हमारा हो, तबला भी हमारा हो, सब कुछ हमारा हो, and we have a dedicated team. They can play in background and entire function is going on. This is under cultural head. Similarly in technical, there may be a coding club. It is today's need. Another is a robo club, photography and animation club, because photography expenditure automatically can be taken care by photography club, because very good students are there. They have very good animation and creative ability. 3 Idiot तो देखा है ना आपने? 3 Idiot देखा है? हाँ, कहाँ गए थे लोग? उसका जो इंटरेस्ट था, टैलेंट था, तो लाइक माइंडेड पीपल विल बी इंडक्टेड फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट ईयर. Similarly in sports, cricket club, badminton club, chess club, athletic club, yoga club, similar named club. Actually I have given a formal name, formal names only, but you can give innovative names. For example, for sports, cricket के लिए कुछ ऐसा नाम लिखो कि जिससे GC दाहोद का नाम जुड़ा हो. Creative names you can give. तो एक क्लब कैसे ऑपरेट होगी? Just I will give the example. क्लब की जो 6 स्टूडेंट की टीम है, जैसे फर्स्ट ईयर का एडमिशन होगा, मैं हिंदी में बोल रहा हूँ, थोड़ा समझ लेना. जैसे फर्स्ट ईयर का एडमिशन होगा, दिस 6 स्टूडेंट टीम्स ऑफ ए लाइक माइंडेड पीपल विल गो टू द फर्स्ट ईयर ड्यूरिंग देयर ओरिएंटेशन प्रोग्राम. दे विल शेयर द इंफॉर्मेशन, सारा बताएंगे कि हमारे क्लब में क्या होता है, हम क्या करते हैं, क्या सिखाते हैं, कैसे सपोर्ट करते हैं. सपोज मैं कोडिंग क्लब का एग्जाम्पल ले लूँ, तो कोडिंग क्लब में दे विल शेयर द इंफॉर्मेशन ड्यूरिंग द ओरिएंटेशन प्रोग्राम. हम ये करवाते हैं, हम एवरी संडे कोडिंग के लिए जो एल्यूमिनी से हमारे एक्सपर्ट है, इंडस्ट्री से एक्सपर्ट है, उनको आपके साथ साक्षात्कार कराते हैं, वो आपको कोडिंग सिखाएंगे, वो आपके साथ हैंड होल्ड करेंगे, दे विल सपोर्ट यू। कोडिंग सिखाएंगे 3 साल तक, वो इंटर्नशिप में भी सपोर्ट करेंगे, नॉट पेड इंटर्नशिप विद स्टाइपेंड मोर देन 40,000 रुपीज। एंड आफ्टर कंप्लीशन ऑफ ग्रेजुएशन दे विल हेल्प इन प्लेसमेंट टू। सिमिलरली इन फोटोग्राफी क्लब में 3 इडियट का एग्जाम्पल बताया, फोटोग्राफी का लाइक माइंडेड पीपल विल सिट टुगेदर, थिंक टुगेदर, वर्क टुगेदर एंड सक्सेसफुल टुगेदर। मतलब साथ साथ काम करेंगे, साथ साथ सक्सेसफुल हो गए, और अब जहाँ भी जाएंगे वही टैलेंट में काम करेंगे, भले हम इंजीनियर बने। तो ऐसे हमारी क्लब चलेगी सब। So in this regard, I would like to request my faculty event coordinators, because they have coordinated various robo races, sports events, technical events, even these cultural events. They identify the student leader members for respective clubs, because अभी हमारा रोल रहेगा, हम क्या करना है, कैसे लीडर आइडेंटिफाई करना है, फिर उसको ऑटोमेटिक वे में चलने देना है। स्टूडेंट विल डू एवरीथिंग, just we have to facilitate, and now onwards sensitize the team of all clubs to form the pillar of Trividya 2026. I expect Trividya 2026 will be led by the Students Gymkhana Committee, that I call student body government. I would like to extend my gratitude to the participants, organizing committee, student coordinators, Gymkhana faculty coordinators. Specifically, I name Professor A.D. Joshi, Dr. Kiran Babur, Kundan Patel, Mittal